Hey all you beautiful people, today we are going to be drawing this very cute dragon. Isn't he cute? I don't know whether it's he or she. Alright, so to draw this cute and fairy dragon, we'll be using the elements of art, which are line, shape, form, space, color, value, and texture. The materials that we require to make this are a permanent marker. You may draw with a pencil till you're sure that this is how I want my dragon to look like, and then trace over with a marker. I'll be coloring in with markers, water paints, or crayons, but you can use whatever material you have to color it. If you're using two different mediums to color, this is called a mixed media painting. Grab your materials and let's begin. Keep your paper vertically, that means the long side should be facing your hands. Use any size of paper. I'm going to be drawing with a marker, but I need you to draw with a pencil first. Find the top of your paper and move towards the left, because we need this space on your right for the tail and the wings. So we're going to start from the top left. Draw a circle. Now I'm drawing one kind of eyes. If you want, you can even change how the eyes of your dragon look. And let's draw a circle and fill it in inside the larger circle. Now on the left of this, we're going to draw a circle overlapping this one. So it's going behind, part of it is hidden, and then inside you draw a circle again. These are the eyes. Now we are going to draw the body of the dragon going all the way to the bottom of the page. So the body should fill your paper. I suggest you make points, like we are going to join the dots. This is where the neck goes, this is where the body goes, this is where the tail comes, so that it's easier for us to join the dots and make the dragon. Trace your finger a couple of times so that you get a hang of the curve. Going to make it in steps, starting from the center of the eye, going to the first dot. This is going to be the neck, the back of the neck of the dragon, and then we need to go out using a couple of curved lines. This is going to be the body of the dragon. The body of the dragon is big, you all, so we need to really make that curve go out, and then it comes back in. And then this is the point where I want the tail to end. Let's connect it, and we have the back of the dragon. That was easy, wasn't it? Now we're going to repeat the same thing in the front, but now I'm going to make the mouth which curves like that. If you want, you can make it open, but I prefer it closed and it's giving a cute smile. Alright, so a dot where it's going to end, and another dot where it's going to curve from, and then we connect the dots again, making a big curvy face and then giving him a big smile. I don't know why do I think my dragon is a male? I think I'm gonna give him a name too. Okay, adding in those nostrils. See, you're almost done. Again, we're going to add dots in the front where I think the neck is going to end, and then a big fat belly because the dragon really eats a lot, and then curving the tail and ending it all the way to the end. So this is where the neck is going to end. Then move your finger and feel where you think the belly is going to go. Make a dot. This is where the body is going to end, and then the tail is going to get connected. The neck, making a big fat belly because the dragon needs to eat to have energy. And this is where the body ends, and then we narrow it down all the way to a point on the tail. Good. 95% of your dragon is done. Now either you can make it into an arrow like I did here on this dragon, or you can change the end of your dragon any way you want. I think I'm gonna draw a fire here So a couple of lines going out, bring them back in, but do not join them. Then take them back up, bring them back in again, but not all the way down, and then make a dot and join the ends of the tail. Perfect. Next, we are going to draw feet and hands for the dragon. Because I have this line here, I cannot erase it, but if you are doing with a pencil, you can rub that line, make a curved line going up, and then draw 3 flower kind of lines. This is the feet of the dragon. There's another one behind, but we cannot see it because this one's overlapping it. 2 straight lines, and again curvy lines, join them, and then there's another leg behind. You can see a part of it, so make a small line and just make 2 teeny tiny toes. But of course, it's not teeny tiny, this is a small dragon. When he grows up, he's going to be fully grown. Now we are just drawing triangles, a bit curved, to show the claws of the dragon. He's cute, but he's also scary if you rub him the wrong way. Okay, so I cannot erase those lines, but you go ahead and erase them. We're going to go ahead and draw the wings. The good thing about looking at a video is you can pause if I'm going too fast, or you can rewind, or you can fast forward if you think this is an easy part and I can do my thing. So we are going to make points again. It's going to be a triangle going up from the top. So a dot here where it's going to start, where the top part of the wing is going to be, and where it's going to end, and we just connect the dots 1 and 2, the top of the triangle. Now the bottom of the triangle is connected by a couple of arcs that go up. So jump 2, 3, 4, easy peasy. And now we're going to make the lines from the top of the wing all the way to the points where the arcs meet. Now this is one way of drawing the wings of a dragon. There's so many different ways, or you can make your own wings. You can follow me or do your own thing. Now there's a wing behind the dragon which cannot be seen, so we imagine it starts at that point and then it goes all the way up, overlapping. This wing is behind the first one, so the first one is overlapping this wing. So you'll see only a small part of it. Very good. Now spikes for the dragon. Again, mini triangles. We go up and down. You can make them in a different shape if you want. You can make curvy triangles, you can make hexagons, or you can make squares or semicircles. I leave it for you to decide, or you can make triangles like I am doing. Now a dragon's skin is made of scales. Have you ever touched a dragon? So just to show the texture, which is called as impolite texture because we're making it on the dragon, we need to make some patterns on the dragons. So I'm making small and big circles. You can do the same, or you can make a different kind of pattern, a different kind of shape if you want. I leave it for you to decide. So adding a couple of patterns to show implied texture on the dragon skin. Okay, I think I'm done with my dragon. I'm very happy how it turned out. Now, this one, I made a fire behind the dragon as a background. Now, notice how the background is covering the entire area of the paper behind the dragon. I have used yellow, then orange, and then red to depict a fire, but I think I'm gonna change the background for this one. So if you want, you can go ahead and do that one or do this one. I'm drawing a couple of clouds behind this dragon, or you can make your own background, but I need you to fill your background and color it. Alright, so I'm done, and I'm gonna go ahead and color it using crayons and markers. You can use whatever medium you like or you want. Alright, you are. I'm quite happy how my dragon turned out, and I think I wanna name him PJ. I don't know why. It just came into my mind. Have fun, you all.